Okay, this is the new headlight that I received from the eBay seller. This one over here is the old headlight. If you look right in here, you can see this retainer clip in here, which does not exist in the new one, the old one. The old one is and these are the new lamps that I bought. They're the proper lamps for the vehicle, which should go right in here. And you see there's a difference here, and the bulb comes out and it locks in with these things. These are the new bulbs, the same bulbs I have in the old one, and you'll see this connector. Yeah, oh, sorry. These are the new bulbs, same bulbs I have in the old one, or same bulbs that they're the proper bulbs for the vehicle, and they fit in the old one. In the new one that I just received, they fit in this outside little ring portion, okay? Which means nothing because they don't make any connection with the electrical connectors for the light. And then even if I could somehow get this to fit together, they don't. There's no way to put these inside of the vehicle. It's either way. There's no way to get this inside the vehicle. It's not lining up here. Oh, you can't see it, but it's not lining up. It's a not workable solution. They took the time to make this whole thing. It fits in the vehicle. Everything's fine, but it can't do its job. Prior to buying these, I sent the seller a message with my VIN number. They sent me a message back saying this is the right set.